Sometimes, even a very small detail such as parameter creation can block the workflow for quite a long time. Since version 25 R2 Speos, I've occasionally struggled with this as well. In this example, I'm showing a workaround for creation a rotation parameter for a body or geometry. The workflow then continues with the optimization tool, which can be used to automate an entire set of simulations. Each simulation is driven by a different parameter value. The parameter step and value range are defined directly in an Excel file connected to the optimization tool. This makes it possible to perform automated tolerance or sensitivity studies much more efficiently. Hopefully, this workflow helps some of you working with Speos and parametric simulations.